So tell me what you want to do with a why you want to catch a leprechaun.
Okay, so my brother he's gonna have like a thing like a leprechaun trap as his homework. So he's gonna do something and it'll drop the leprechaun into the box, and then we'll ask him to give us gold. If he doesn't, we will maybe threaten to drown him into a sink.
In the sink?
Yeah.
We're gonna drown him in the sink?
If he doesn't give us the gold.
If he doesn't.
But we're just threatening him. So we're just gonna try. So we're just gonna see. We're just gonna say if we are, but we're really not. But if he really doesn't give us the gold forever, we will really do it.
That's mean.
Well, we want the gold for that. We'll be famous, maybe. Okay, so no, this means stop.